Hey there, and welcome back to Next Level Wealth. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for expert insights on trading, investing, and wealth-building strategies. In today's video, we're diving into breakers in trading. Let's get started. What is a breaker? A breaker block in trading is a price zone that was initially a strong support or resistance level, but later gets violated and flips its role. It often indicates a potential reversal or continuation in the market. Traders use breaker blocks to identify high-probability entry points, as they often signal where smart money, institutional traders, entered the market. We are diving here straight into the charts. So a breaker is a failed order block, and what I mean by that is what I can show you now in the charts. We have here our 3 consecutive bearish candles. This can also be applied as one order block, and it would be totally valid to go long right here, but as you can see, it fails to go higher. It takes out this high, and then you could go long in here, but as you can see, it doesn't work. Instead, it breaks down and the order block fails. We get the retest and then it sells off, and this area is the breaker zone. And in this area, this is where my favorite types of setups happen, so I really like it. As you can see, if we would go short at the breaker low, put our stock above the high, the last high, you can see and maybe target some old lows in here. It would be a flawless trade, would take several days as we are on the daily chart on Bitcoin, but in the end, it would get hit right here. So, very nice. If we go further, here is another one. Here you can see this black candle. It's a down candle. The down candle before the up move, it takes out a high. You can go long and you probably would hit some profits, but it doesn't work. It doesn't push through. So, now you can see, we flip this order block into a bearish breaker, go short in here, almost zero drawdown if we enter here at the order block, stop above the high, and now you can see what is possible with this simple flip of the order block to the low. It's over 4R, zero drawdown. It doesn't always happen, but if it happens, it's really explosive and really nice. That's why I like them very much. Another tiny one right here, the down candle before the up move that takes out a high, fails, we break through, we get the reach test even if it is a bit choppy. We consolidate here, push it 2 times, and then we also sell off quite aggressively. And now, vice versa, we can search some bullish ones. As you can see, it's the time where Bitcoin made its bottom in November 22. We had the sell-off. Here we have our order block, the last up candle before the down move that took out a low. This low gets taken out. We break down, and what has happened? We come back, we don't reject and go further below. Instead, we break it, test it once, test it twice, takes out some low here, and then that was the low of Bitcoin. So if we enter, even if we enter in the first place, we would have stopped down below here, and we could ride this thing like all the way up. Here's some different breakers form, which I will show you now, but I think you get what I want to tell you. So another one is right here. Up candle before the down move that takes out a low, retests it, never got the continuation lower, instead it breaks, retest, another almost retest, and up we go. Like, look at this explosion to the upside, really strong explosion. And the last one is right there, the up candle before the down move that takes out the low, we break through it, we don't continue lower, we break through it, retest, and up we go. And again, we can see stop loss below the low, and yeah, as you can see, another very explosive move to the upside. These are very high reward plays, and how to get into them in more detail, you will see in the next sections. But that's it from the chart. I hope you enjoyed it from the chart. And yeah, we will have some other lessons, or also you can see this nice sweep here. So we will put all together later. But this is the basics of my strategy, and I will continue to show you them. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching this video on Next Level Wealth. If you found it valuable, make sure to give it a like and let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips, strategies, and insights to take your wealth to the next level. See you in the next one.